All right, here we got a 13-9 Ag Systems applicator for liquid nitrogen. It's the gentleman just downsized, got good blades on it. I'll try to get you as close as I can here. These blades are approximately probably about 19 and a half to 19 3/4 inches. That one there maybe 18 and a half. So some's been replaced, some have. These all look big. This one looks a little smaller right here. Let's just call them 18 and a half to 19 in that range. Definitely usable. Got a good tank on it. Looks like the litmus is in place. This tank is a so it's like 900 gallon to there. I think they'll call this a 1,000 gallon tank. Okay, that's 900 right there. Measure this blade on this side. He's kind of replaced blades as needed. You know, there's a blade there that's like 17 1/4. Okay, so it's going to need some odds and ends done. He knew he wasn't going to use it anymore. He went to a new system and got rid of everything pretty well he had that was excess and used, because he let all his let some acres go. And but I think it's a very straight machine. It's like some of these discs are going to need some freeing up a little bit, like that one wasn't rolling. Okay, just so you know. I think structurally it's good, but you're probably going to want to look at a couple of them bearings. Most of them are turning, but the one I grabbed there on the end wasn't. And a little bit different sizing on the disc that I can tell. Looks like he's replaced them as needed, but did not replace them all. So this is a hydraulic drive. It's a hydraulic pump right here, okay? Right there's the serial number. I don't know if you saw all that. You can see the model on the serial, but that's about it. They covered the rest of it.